It's Real Estate Kate. Welcome today to 188 Railway Street in Maryborough. We've got a 3-bedroom house on around 500 square metres of land. Let's go and take a wander around and show you what we've got. Here at 188 Railway Street, we've got the 3-bedroom house. The third one is quite small, so it is a single room, but surely the 2 living areas makes up for that. Now we're going to head outside and show you the yard space, shedding, and also space for your landscaping. Let's go. And outside we've got some established garden, but there's certainly scope for you to add your own. Multiple areas for entertaining, and we've got some storage shed, workshop with power, carport alongside, and space for you to do whatever you like here. So that finishes our tour today of 188 Railway Street in Maryborough. For all of your real estate needs, call me directly, Real Estate Kate, 0418 521 346, and all inspections here at Railway Street, please call me directly.